Okay, so we're trying to poke out this car's eyeball. There's only 4 screws holding this thing in, it looks like. Yep. So we have to undo the wiring. You know what? There's a couple of ground wires and such. Well, you can see it's going to pop right out once I get these wires off. I'm going to pull out the back of the light bulb. Wow, I wonder what that gives you this. Oh, there's another connector here. Oh, those don't look stock. Look at them. They left out the other connector, the plastic bit. Boy, yeah. These have all been. I'm hung up by this one wire. So once the ground was removed and a few other non-GM attachments, and out she comes. Oh, one more wire to this weird thing. Look at this.
There's the motor.
Oh, okay. So how do we? Oi, that's hard. We need a pair of pliers to pull that out. Too prickly on the fingers. And finally, after using a pair of pliers, we can take this whole damn thing out. So now we can stick it on the bench and have a little bit of fun with it, figure out how it works.
Turn it over.
See if the switches are. Here's our little electric motor with a condom over the top for protection. Always wear protection. All right, time to remove the other eyeball off of this turkey. Boink. And oh no! Oh, it's just stuck. A little wire. There we go. All done. This poor thing. Let's see how it works. So everything you see here with a little yellow end means that somebody crimped on one of those lousy aftermarket crimp, and the blue ones. So this has all been mangled.
Right. I got this.
And then, well, we snipped that off from somewhere. Coming down this way, over here. See a lot more little yellow guys. Looks like a bunch of yellow jackets.
Yeah, this is for the other headlight.
Yep. Then there's this kind of work where there's no plastic coverage of that at all. Oops,
not even close. Soldered.
Yeah. More yellow guys.
Yeah.
And then there's this part where the anaconda swallowed the rat. We don't know what that is.
Right.
Maybe it's a fuse. Yeah, there's some bare wire there. If you can see the. So this is kind of why we prefer to do brand new. And then this is all aftermarket plastic tubey stuff. And of course, it ends with some yellow guys.
That's the alternator.
With tape, with shrink tube or tape on the end.
Yep.
So we're thinking, good thing we got a new harness.